English listening practice.
Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk to you about something very special: hope. Hope is a feeling that makes us believe things can get better, even when life is difficult. We all face challenges, but hope gives us the strength to keep going. Without hope, life can feel dark and heavy. But with hope, we can find light, even in tough times. Hope is like a small flame that can grow, bringing warmth and guidance to our lives. Let's start by understanding what hope really is. Hope is more than just wishing for something good to happen. It's a strong belief that, no matter how hard life may seem, things can improve. Hope gives us a reason to keep trying, to not give up when things go wrong. When you have hope, you believe in yourself and in the possibility of a better tomorrow. This belief helps you stay motivated, even when the road ahead looks tough. Why is hope so important? Hope is what keeps us moving forward in life. It helps us set goals and work toward them, even when it seems impossible. Imagine you are trying to learn something new, like playing an instrument or learning a new language. At first, it's difficult. You make mistakes, and you might feel like quitting. But hope tells you, keep going. You can do it. Without hope, we might give up on our dreams and stop trying. Hope also gives us strength when we face challenges in life. We all go through hard times, losing a job, getting sick, or having problems with friends or family. Hope helps us see that things can get better. It reminds us that no matter how bad today feels, tomorrow is a new day, full of new possibilities. So, how can we find hope when life feels tough? First, focus on the positive. Even when things are hard, try to find something good each day, no matter how small. Maybe it's a kind word from a friend or a beautiful sunset. These small moments can help you stay hopeful. Next, set small goals. Instead of focusing on big challenges, break them into smaller, more manageable steps. Achieving these small goals will give you confidence and hope for the future. Another way to find hope is by connecting with others. Talk to people who inspire you and give you encouragement. Sometimes just knowing that someone believes in you can make all the difference. And finally, remind yourself that tough times don't last forever. Life is full of ups and downs, but hope helps us see that better days are ahead. In conclusion, hope is a powerful force that can change the way we live. It gives us strength in hard times, motivates us to reach for our dreams, and reminds us that the future is full of possibilities. So, no matter what you're going through, remember to hold on to hope. Believe in yourself, focus on the positive, and take one step at a time. With hope in your heart, you can face anything and keep moving toward a brighter future. Thank you for listening, and never forget the power of hope.